Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. Today I come out with a new video on the unboxing of the S22 Ultra. I just received this phone through the courier. I did this purchase over Amazon. Today I'm very thrilled to do the unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel. This will help me grow my channel in a big way. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I will not take much of your time. So when you open the box, the first thing that you'll come to see is the phone itself. Let me keep it aside. What else comes in this box? Okay. As always, there is no power brick with these new flagships like Samsung and Apple. Okay, you have a SIM ejection tool, and I'm sure these are some kinds of books and manuals, and also you get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable for charging purpose. Okay, first let me give a look at the phone. Okay, the phone that I purchased is a 512 GB memory option. The color I chose is Burgundy Red, and actually I'm loving this color. Let me peel the plastic from this phone. Wow, this phone looks so gorgeous. And there is a screen protector already installed on this phone. So going over the phone, if you can see that it has a 6.8 inch display, which is around 90.2 screen to body ratio, and it has a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. It has a 500 ppi density. It is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, the toughest glass that you can find on a phone. The back has a matte finish with a simple design. And also I love the way the camera looks on this phone. It looks much better than the S21 Ultra or the Note 20 Ultra. This phone also supports always on display. Right out of the box, this phone comes with the Android 12 with the custom skin of One UI 4.1. This phone does not support SD card, but it comes with a couple of variants: the 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and a 1 terabyte option. However, for the 128 GB variant, you will find 8 GB RAM on the phone. For the rest of the lineup, it has 12 GB RAM options. This phone, as you can see, has a quad camera setup, which has a 108 megapixel camera, two 10 megapixel cameras, and one 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. This supports video recording of 8K at 24 frames, 4K at 30 or 60 frames, HD quality at 30, 60 or 240 frames, and 720p at 960 frames. In the front, it has a single selfie camera which is 40 megapixel. This phone comes with dual stereo speakers, one which is built along with the earpiece and the other one is at the bottom. So the selfie camera is a 40 megapixel camera. Inside this phone, it has a 500 mAh battery and supports 45 watts charging. It also supports reverse wireless charging, which is around 4.5 watts. If you look at the device, it has a nice feel in the hand. Like on the left hand side, you don't have any buttons. Whereas on the right hand side, the first thing is with the volume rocker, and then you have the power button. This has a built-in in-display fingerprint sensor. At the top, there is a microphone. And when you go to the bottom of the phone, there is a USB Type-C charging slot, microphone, SIM slot, a speaker, and the most famous S Pen. And the S Pen comes in a black color, despite this being a red color phone. So it's okay for me, it doesn't make a big difference. It has a nice feel in the hand, to be frank. And if I compare this phone with an iPhone, you can notice that it's slightly taller than the iPhone. and I can feel that it's slightly thinner than the iPhone. And this is how the back looks. If I have to choose between one phone when it comes to design, I would really go with the S22 Ultra because this thing really feels good in the hand. Meanwhile, I'll be trying this phone for some days, and after that, I will come back with a new video to give my honest opinion of the phone. Till that, I would say that I don't want to make any assumptions on this phone. So I'll come up with the video soon on my honest opinion regarding this phone. Thank you for your time, spending your time with me and going over this phone. Take care, and I'll be back soon with a new video. Cheers.